You want to start producing videos, but you're mystified at what you should put in your videos. And so today I'm going to give you a simple outline to help you be crystal clear on what you need to be saying in your videos. Hey, it's Shannon with Shannon Lee Strategy, here to help you simplify your online strategy in under 10 hours a month. I help solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, those that want to DIY their marketing, learn how to do it themselves, and cut out the things they don't want to do. And today I'm talking to you about the simple video outline that I use. So what I use for videos, and side note, I have a 4-year degree in broadcast journalism that I used for a whole 9 months. That degree is 20 years old, but these are some of the principles that I learned when it comes to creating these how-to videos. So I usually start with a question or what the topic's going to be about, as you saw in the beginning. And then I would do a lead in to what I do, who I am, and how I help people. My preference would be that part is separate, different video that kind of breaks things up, but not all of us have that capability. As you can see, I don't have that capability just yet. It's coming though. And then you get into the meat of the video, the how-to tips, how you're helping those people, your people, solve their struggles with whatever tip you're giving today. And then I end it with a call to action. And I would usually just say something simple like, you know where to find me, hit me up in the DM. If this is going on cross channels, just say leave a comment, message me, get a hold of me, and the contact button. I'm trying to come up with a universal way to go across Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and I think the best way is just to say, drop me a comment and I'll get back to you with any questions you have. So something like that to end it. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any more questions about this, leave me a comment, send me a message, and I will get your questions answered on another Tip Tuesday. Have a great day.